Hi, my name is Dinesh Goel and I'm here from Property for Financial Freedom. Here we provide one-on-one mentorship to buy properties in a high growth area with good cash flow and with data stacks. So, as most of us know about the Queensland government, that they introduced land tax few months ago. So they were trying to see your properties all over the Australia, and then they were trying to calculate the very high land tax they were proposing next year. So what we saw in the market, there was a fear in the investors to buy in the Queensland market. So that controversial land tax is now demolished by the Queensland government, and we are back in the market. So they were very lucrative areas in especially regional Queensland, where you can buy properties in around 300 to 500k mark, where you are able to achieve around 6% or above yields. So I just want to show you those areas. Before I show you, I just want to say this disclaimer that none of this is the financial advice. Please seek advice from professionals before making any investment decision. So here I'm going to show those markets now where the data is looking promising. It ticks all the boxes. So please watch out. Here we go. This is our beautiful Australia. Let's move into the Queensland market and straight away let's go to the far north Queensland. If you go, would like to start with the Cairns. So Cairns, data wise, it really stacks well. I really like the town. I have been there. I've done a lot of research on Cairns, and I bought my property in the Cairns market as well. One of the big reasons is, you know, there's very less land supply around here. There's a hill starts here in this side, and there is a ocean other side, and the only way it is expanding is towards the south side of the Cairns. So wherever you buy, like, it's not too far from the CBD. So a lot of people thinks that the Cairns is a tourist town, but I would say that the economy is very diverse now. So this was one of my picks in the regional Queensland. Let's go down little and let's move to the Townsville. So Townsville is again one of the very strong regional town based on data. So you can find very good properties in 350 to 500k range, with which way you can achieve 6%, 6.5%, and even up to 7% yields. So again, a big town have around 180k population. It's population wise, it's a bit bigger than the Cairns market. So again, really good. uh, there's a big expenditure from the government on the defense in the area. So that would be my one of the picks in the regional Queensland market. Let's go again. If you go down, you'll see most of the regions, big towns, big regional towns in the Queensland, they are strong. Yeah. Next one, I would like to go to Mackay. So if you have a little bit big risk appetite, because economy is not really diverse in Mackay, so there are a few couple of suburbs which are really good based on data, uh, which you can pick up. Again, throughout the regional Queensland, it's easy to achieve around 6% here, but keep in the mind that some of the regional towns have high rates, council rates, and you may pay a little bit premium, a high premium on your insurances as well. Yeah. So if your risk appetite is strong, you can definitely look into the Mackay market. Next one is, I would say I'll go to Bondaberg. Again, a very good market. Like, I've seen a lot of investors jumping into the Bondaberg market. Data wise, it stacks really well. Again, same story. You can buy a good house in around 400 mark, and with a 6% yield. So markets are moving very fast. When I'm saying like 400 mark, there would be no surprise in few months we start talking about 500 mark properties here as well. The last pick I want to discuss is basically Toowoomba. The Toowoomba is around, I think, less than 2 hours drive from the Brisbane. Again, it has a big hospital, lot of government infrastructure coming in the area. There is plans to run a fast train between Brisbane and Toowoomba. Again, the price wise, 400 to 500, you can find a good properties there with the good deals. So there are markets within markets. So if I'm saying Toowoomba, there are certain suburbs which meets all the criteria where we generally buy the properties. Yeah. Uh, Other than that, if you have Rockhampton is another one. Really don't. This is one of my least preference in most of the other areas, but again, it stacks data stacks, and few couple of suburbs are coming out really good from Rockhampton. Here we are, Rockhampton. Yeah. So this was my short analysis on the regional Queensland market. As we can see, there are many good markets in regional Queensland. What I'm thinking to do in the future, in coming days, like I'm going to pick each town. For example, I'll pick Cairns first, and I'm going to explain a bit more about what's the economy looks like, and what are the major projects coming, and all of the factors about the Cairns market. I'll do same for Townsville, maybe Bundaberg, and Toowoomba as well. So keep watching this space. You'll get a lot of information on property investing. Um, Please like if you like this video, and please feel free to reach out to me if you want to have a discussion. Thanks. Keep investing.